Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting Zotero running and the word add and installed so citations flow automatically. Open Zotero, go to Preferences, then Cite, then Word Processors and click Install Microsoft Word Add-in. Once done, restart Word so it loads the new ribbon or tab. You do this now because the add-in bridges Zotero's library and Word's document editor. Without it, you cannot insert live citations or build a bibliography. Make sure Zotero stays open while you work. Once the add-in is visible, pick a citation style in Zotero's preferences so formatting matches your target journal or class. In Word, place the cursor where a citation goes and click Add/Edit Citation. A small search box appears. Type an author, title, or tag and select the item to insert. You can add multiple items and edit them in place. When you want a reference list, use Add/Edit Bibliography. Zotero compiles entries from citations and keeps formatting consistent. As to finish, proof the document and use the Refresh button in Word's Zotero tab to apply any late edits. This updates both inline citations and the bibliography. If the add-in disappears, reinstall it from Zotero Preferences, right arrow Cite, right arrow Word Processors, and restart both apps. If you see citation codes like author 2020, don't unlink citations until you're done editing. Unlinking converts live fields to plain text. For a quick fix when Zotero isn't responding, restart Zotero and Word, then hit refresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.